Hey everyone, welcome back to Dashboard Warning Lights, where we help you solve car issues step by step. Today, we're focusing on the ATP warning light, a common warning in vehicles with automatic transmissions. If this light has you worried, don't stress. Let's dive in and fix it together. So, what does the ATP warning light mean? It's related to the automatic transmission's parking lock system, which ensures your car stays securely in park. If this light comes on, it could signal an issue with the parking lock, brake system, transmission fluid, or even electrical components. Let's go through the steps to troubleshoot and fix it. Step 1. Check the brake pedal. First, check if your brake pedal is functioning correctly. The parking lock system relies on the brake pedal being engaged to release. Test the brake lights. If they don't light up, the brake switch might be faulty. Replacing the brake switch is a quick fix you can do yourself. Step 2. Inspect the transmission fluid. Let's check the transmission fluid. Low or dirty fluid can cause the system to malfunction. Locate the dipstick, pull it out, and check the fluid level and color. It should be a clear reddish color. If it's low or dark, top it up or replace it with the recommended fluid for your car. Step 3. Reset the system. Sometimes, this warning light is triggered by a temporary glitch. Turn off the engine, wait for a few seconds, and restart the car. This can reset the system and clear the warning. Step 4. Scan for error codes. If the light persists, it's time to scan for error codes. Plug in an OBD2 scanner and look for codes related to the transmission or brake system, like P0705 for a range sensor issue. Note the codes and research or address them accordingly. Step 5. Inspect fuses and wiring. Next, check the fuses for the transmission or brake systems. A blown fuse or damaged wiring can easily cause this warning. Replace any faulty fuses and inspect the wiring for corrosion or damage. When to seek professional help. If none of these steps fix the issue, it's best to consult a professional mechanic. The problem might be with the parking lock mechanism or the transmission control module, which requires specialized tools and expertise. And that's it. With these steps, you can troubleshoot and, in many cases, fix the ATP warning light yourself. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dashboard Warning Lights for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.